Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the HEX2BIN function, or hexadecimal to binary. The hexadecimal to binary function is responsible for converting hexadecimal values into binary values, well, it looks something like this. If I take hexadecimal code, and then over here, say run hex to binary, and pass it an appropriate argument. There we go. It converts it into a binary number. This function has limits that are common to all of the binary input-output functions, which is that it is capable of outputting a maximum of 10 binary bits, or 10 binary digits at the output, and that is the limiting factor. 10 binary bits with Excel's version of using 1 bit for the sign bit and 9 bits for magnitude allows a maximum input value of 512, which is 1 FF in hexadecimal. If I take this output value and just convert it back to decimal, see that that's 511, which is what I hope I said the first time and not 512. 512 is incorrect. The smallest value, again, because it's using 2's complement in order to represent negative values, and it has one spot for, or 1 bit for counting or measuring positive or negative. The largest, the largest negative value, or the smallest, lowest value that can be held in hexadecimal and converted to binary is the value represented by 10 digits in hexadecimal. 0. I think that's it. But which can then be translated to fewer than 10 bits in binary. Now this value is going to be negative 512, assuming that I got it right, and I didn't. I probably miscounted my F's. There we go. Is minus 512, using 2's complement in binary. And using the binary to decimal conversion, you can see that that's 512. So that looks a little bit disparate, but the important thing to remember is that this function is limited by the number of output bits that it can handle. If you've made it this far in the video, this would be a great time to like and subscribe before I talk about the other inputs to this function. Because the other inputs to this function, and let's do a smaller value, and then just say equals hex to binary. There we go. The other inputs available to this function are just a place pattern, which is common to all of these conversions, where we can determine how many places or how many leading zeros we want to show in order to fill out how many bits. So this says we need 8 bits in total, and it leads with 4 zeros and then 4 ones, which is the conversion of F from hex to binary. The maximum we can go up to, again, is to hold 10 bits. Anything more than 10 bits, and, well, Excel tries to have a little temper tantrum and throws number errors and stuff. That's the other input that's available for this guy. Some related functions to the hex to binary are, of course, the function that does the opposite, binary to hex, and the other family of hex conversion functions, hex to decimal and hexadecimal to octal. I'll do another one. This concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the hexadecimal to binary function. Thank you for watching.